Hey guys, so this is totally awkward, but okay, so I'm back again. Currently outside because I'm struggling to find somewhere to actually film because my housemates are both back and I don't really feel comfortable filming in the house when they're both home. So I've just walked down to the beach. I live in Sydney on the coast, which is a beautiful location. I can probably put some footage after this clip of the coastal walk that I've just been on. Maybe I can flip the camera. Ooh, that is some nice exposure. There we go. I don't know how to flip the camera. Maybe I'll just do this. Pretty. Yeah, so I'm just sitting under a rock. I'm probably not going to be able to do a mukbang today, just for the reason that my housemates are home and I don't feel comfortable, as I just said before. But I think I'll get some ice cream after this. I really wanted to upload because I don't want to get into a habit of just giving up and not posting, even though I've like committed to doing every Monday. So I'm just going to upload something. This lighting is actually really nice. So I'm getting. I don't know how to look. This is really hard. I sympathise with any bloggers out there because this is hard and embarrassing and somebody's walking towards me, so I'm going to stop filming. Okay, so I'm back again. The sun is actually going down pretty fast. I do want to get some frozen yogurt, which means I have to walk all the way back to where I was before because that's where the frozen yogurt shop is. Maybe I'll show the frozen yogurt I get if it works, because actually, okay, a little bit of a story time. I don't know. Oh, somebody's walking. I ran past. Anyway, so my little bit of a story time was, I don't know if any of you guys out there are very forgetful once you start having a few drinks, but that is me, and I tend to lose stuff quite often. Most of the times I find it again. But on the weekend, well not on the weekend, on Friday night after work, we went out for a few drinks, went to a few different places, and at one of the places I've left my wallet because I only noticed this morning when I went, not this morning, this evening when I went to get my wallet. I'm not even sure why I was going to. Oh, right. Sorry. I'm so bad at telling stories. Like, sometimes I get ahead of myself and then it's just like awkward. Anyway, maybe this filming will help me become better at articulating my stories. So what I was saying is, on Friday we'd gone to a few places, had a few drinks, and yeah, so at one of the places I've managed to leave my wallet, which is not ideal. I don't know what place it was. It wasn't the first place because I had my ID still in my coat pocket, and that would have been in my wallet before. So it's clearly either the second or the third place, or the bus on the way home, because I am hovo and like to get the bus home apparently after a night out instead of getting an Uber like a normal person. So yeah, that's my story time of the week. So I'm gonna have to figure out where it was / what places we went to, because I still don't know the name of bars in Sydney because I'm originally from Perth. So that's my story of the week, and hopefully I find it. I will keep you guys updated on that story. I should probably start heading back. So nice though, like, I keep looking at myself on the screen, but the camera's there. So, that's just something to be aware of. I need to stop doing that. I'm so annoying sometimes. I'll probably cut this. Liking the lighting of being outdoors, like, should make this my thumbnail. Cute. I need to think of some good challenges to do, just so like people will click on my videos. I was thinking of doing like the worst rated Uber Eats. Well, ordering from the worst rated place on Uber Eats on my app, but then I thought, but I don't watch that. Probably, I don't know if that's clickbaity enough. Also, I don't like filming now that my housemates are home. So somebody's coming again. I get comfortable and then somebody comes along and I'm like, fuck. Yeah, maybe Friday night I can film if I don't go out, because normally my housemates are out. Or a Saturday night. It's just like, I don't like so my dad just called and I started to walk back. Thought I would show you guys a bit of the coastal walk. Just about to pass some people, so I'll probably stop filming now, but I thought I'd show a little clip. So I thought I'd do a quick update, and my Amex didn't work where I just went, so I actually ended up getting a McFlurry. And I'm gonna eat that. Caramel M&Ms. So for some reason, there seems to be heaps of people around all the time when I'm trying to film. There's people in front of me right now, but you know what, it doesn't matter. Almost home. I thought my last ending outro was a bit awkward, so I thought I'd film another one. I ate the McFlurry. Obviously it was fantastic because who doesn't love McFlurries? Who else gets it with M&Ms and caramel? Give it a like if you do. Third time lucky. Yeah, I'm gonna try and make videos every Monday. So thanks for watching.